the origins of the flame. Imagine standing in the middle of a vast, desolate desert where the ground beneath your feet feels like it's holding secrets from another world. The wind howls, carrying whispers of forgotten tales, and in the distance, an ominous glow pierces the darkness. You move closer, heart racing, and then you see it, a massive crater ablaze with flames that never die. Locals call it the gates of hell. It all began in the 1970s, during the height of the Soviet Union's relentless quest for energy resources. A team of geologists arrived in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, a barren and unforgiving landscape. Their mission was clear: drill deep into the earth to tap into a natural gas reserve.